we will get div class container, div class row, div class. On the large we need to make it just 7. Okay. After that, in here we are going to create some forms. For now, let's leave post. After this one, we are going to create something. What the form looks like, let's check. It has a icon, it has a label, so we need to use div form class form group. Next to form group we need to create a label. This label will be for the username. Let's type username. Next to this one, div class input group. In input group, in the front side we have an icon, so we need to create div class input group prepend. We need to use this class. In here, just let's say span, and we need to use some classes here. Class, then input group, something like text. In here we are going to use user from font awesome classes. Then below this one we are going to use input. Input will be a text and will be username. Value, in here we have used post over here, so here we can use PHP script like this. PHP if is set, if some value is already set, which is post username, post username, and the value is not repeating, and post username not equals to empty. We will display that one. Post username, display that one. In case of place order, we simply can say enter username. Then a class for this one. The class will be form control. Save. If we go to the code and refresh, it is because of linking with online. That's why it's taking a little bit slow, but we will fix in the future because we don't need to wait all these much times. Here it is not displaying the image icons, but the form is already created. See, now it's displayed. But one thing, it is not the form exactly looks like this one, so we need to use some other classes which is called card. In that card we can able to create some form like this. Okay, just follow me. Also the other thing, we need to push a little bit from the top as well as from the left side to the center. So to do that we will go here. I don't want to write this form again and again. I just want to add this one to make use better. Div class card, then div class card header. Let's say h3 class will be card title. Then let's write login. Below this one, div class card body. Body paste. The form we have already created